Just got done with the party and shit, right? So we about to sit up here and give you a quick review on a Volkswagen Passat. Look, listen here. This is the TSI. All right, you see the TSI right there, the badge. We're gonna let that bad boy up.
I got you.
We're gonna let that bad boy up, bro. All right. So what we looking at here? Somebody get a flashlight from me, man.
Got a flashlight.
You got the TSI. You can't even see. Oh, you can see that bad boy. This camera dope. Volkswagen TSI. All right. So look. All right. So what y'all think about this bad boy, man? What y'all think about this bad boy? I don't care. Come on out here with no clothes on, bro. We're in the dog too, bro.
Boy, I'm not a big Volkswagen person, so you know. I mean, but you know, it got a little kick to it. Look, acceleration.
Like I said, the 0 to 60 is the truth, man. Yeah. But when it gets to like from 70 and on around, it takes forever to get to 100. But I mean, it gets you from point A to point B. I drove in it for 2 days. What you think about it, bro? It's trash. It's trash. Yeah, I make that. Whatnot. Yeah, 4-cylinder in this bad boy. But it gets down from 0 to 60 all day. I only got it because of the simple fact that I was driving in the snow. As you can see, there's a lot of snow around this bad boy. You can bust your ass real fast. All right, but anyway, let's go look at the interior. You want to go and do the interior for me, bro? You good? You want to do the interior? Nobody want to do the interior? No interior? All right. You said 2 minutes. All right, look. All right, so we all in here. What up? What up? All right, look. So from what we're looking at right now is 217. We giving you a review after the party and whatnot. I'm a little under the you know. But anyway, you got your on lights right here. You turn them off. Auto. I never knew it was auto. Normally half the time with whatever I'm doing, that right there normally is just the you know, running lights or whatnot, right? And you got the regular lights so you turn on yourself. So you cut the car on and cut off. You know, it do its thing, right? So you got your trunk here. You got your four windows. I ain't rolling them down because we cold in this bad boy. All right, your mirrors is right here. Your lock and all that stuff. You got power seat and bolster seats right here. It's pretty good. Guess they bolster. Yeah, they bolster. All right, so they tilt back, power seat. You got your lumbar. You got the 4 lumbar. I can't even show you right now. I mean, I guess, but let me see. Do they got the for the females? For the females, you got the females right there. Passenger, driver. Okay, it's got a little luxury in here. All right, so look. So we got this right here. This the butt burner. I call this the butt burner, man. You sit up here and burn your ass if you cold. So it's cold, so you ain't gonna burn your ass unless you're in the summer. The cluster's pretty good. You know, you got the individuals for the passenger and the driver, and then you also got the. Damn, it just dimmed the lights. So I turned on the rear defroster. It kind of dimmed the lights, whatever. And you got the max whatever for the windshield. That works good. It just turns the shit up by itself automatically. There's a secret right there. I don't guess I have to hit max. I guess I can hit that and it does the same thing. All right, you got your for the face. For your toes, get your toes warm. And you got the cycle for, I guess in case it stink outside when you driving around them cows. All right, so right here we got 160 on the dash, but from a perspective for everybody in here, which I taught him as well, that 160 don't mean anything. You may be governed to 110, 120 or whatnot, but it's a Volkswagen. I think Volkswagens lets you go to 135. My ass is getting hot from that the third number that I keep it on too. Anyway. As far as the steering wheel, you got your paddle shifters on here. The paddle shifters is pretty nonchalant. I didn't know they was back here. You got your turning signals right here, left and right. Yeah, there's pedal shifters on here. See, he didn't even know his pedal shifters on here. So there's pedal shifters on the back right here. I accidentally, when I was trying to slide the snow out here with the e-brake, which is sitting right here for your convenience, actually, to say the truth, I end up hitting the shifters, shift the gear, 1 and 2. It already starts off in 1. Then you got your park, your reverse. When you hit the reverse on right here, this comes on, right? Now, the only problem that we have, one time in the snow, it's dirty one time, and then all of a sudden it's clean. Right now it's clean. It may be dirty after we drive somewhere. It may be clean the next time. So we back at it. We sitting up here talking about our night, which is funny, and then I was running out of time. I added 3 more minutes. I'm gonna make this quick. This is your voice navigation or whatever like that for your phone. Here and here, whatnot, all this. This is your tune where you can change your stuff. I didn't say that. It's probably listening to my stupid ass. But anyway, you got your volumes over here, your volume meter. That works. Your tune, to change your tune right here. You see that? Yeah, it's right here. It's not so loud. I was actually turning steer while I ended up hitting that. You got your cruise control over here as well. You can actually speed up, slow down right here. That's on. Let me see what it look like when it's on. It look like that one is on, and whatever you said it is, the resume set. And like I said again, your pedal shifts is about here. I don't know what the off mean. This is your stuff for your windshield wipers. All right, that works right there. And again, I mean, I'm not getting outside to check out the rest of the car. I already showed you the R line. This is the R line. There is no exhaust note. There is no exhaust note.
He was serious. He was serious. Oh no. Oh no. It sounded like somebody pooping on me.
But Lil Bro said it sounded like somebody pooping on you. I mean, like I said, they don't have no exhaust note. As far as anything, like I said, your e-brake is here. You got your park reverse, neutral, and drive. The thing is with this, right? I'm gonna show you right here. In drive, be careful when you in drive. Sport is your safe bet. You don't want it in sport, but sport is your safe bet because you ain't gotta worry about it moving around, right? So here in drive, I occasionally make a mistake and hit it over there.
That's stupid.
Yeah, in drive. It should be in sport. I'm sorry, Volkswagen, get your ish together.
Why is the shifter at drive and not at sport?
I mean, I'm saying though. So, well, in sport, it does its own thing in
Just
sport.
changes the tuning, but it doesn't allow you to shift.
Yep. So as far as in here,
you should have been using, if you were trying to really gun it.
As far as in here, you got your other auxiliary cords and whatnot. I don't know what is there two different things.
Being able to change.
I think it's two different things. I don't know if I know how to use it. 5'11", he 5'11" up in here. He fitting real comfortable, and then my little bro right here is like 5'5", 5'9", whatever, 5'8".
Space is good.
Yep, space is good. Got a light back there, which is good. You got your
your drift holders.
Yeah, your drift holders. Okay, enough, bro. What y'all got to say for this, man? What y'all think?
Overall, typical
Hey,
Volkswagen.
you in the future.
Not that great,
1 through
though.
10.
1 through 10.
We gotta get the Wolfsburgs edition.
Sorry.
A two. All right.
We gotta get the Wolfsburgs edition.
Got to get the Wolfsburgs
already
there.
know.
Wolfsburgs, this was more of a I like Volkswagen only for gas convenience. Like I said, I had this for 2 days, and this is all I use. If I was in an RS, SS, or Mustang, RT, I would have been in the gas station twice already. We've been everywhere. I'm talking about we put miles on this thing. We put at least 100, over 200-300 miles on this thing already, including spinning the tires in the snow. It eats your gas up. Coming from a Cadillac review. Well, his Cadillac's stronger than this. He'll roast me to death. Best car you drove already out of all the old cars he had.
I might have said the Challenger.
Okay, he said the Challenger. His favorite car is the Mustang.
Because I didn't get to do what I did in the Challenger.
Yeah. And the SS he ain't getting nowhere, but he did everything in the Challenger. Coming from whatever cars you was in, with a Buick. What was it, LaCrosse? It was LaCrosse? Yeah, he had a LaCrosse. My bad.
Powerful.
Yep.
Luxury.
All right.
What else? I mean, comfortable.
Hey, let's see this armrest back here right quick. Let's see if you can get in the trunk from this armrest right here. Some people really. Oh, you got the cup holders at least back there.
That's just a real armrest.
That's just real armrest.
Real armrest.
Yeah, well, you can't get back there through the trunk. You have to get out and get your ass out.
The gas situation is like
the
best part about this car.
Yeah, well, the gas situation is
a couple of fun stuff in there. Heated seats.
Nice
yep. Touch screen.
Yeah, touch screen's good.
So I like the whole the screen raising feature when you get close to touching.
Yeah, I noticed that too. I don't know. Yeah, see right there. You see how it just popped up, and I even move my hand. Let me move my hand, and I already touch it. It does that. That's good. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope.
It's sort of flat bottom.
The sort of flat bottom. Oh, on the steering wheel. Yeah, the steering wheel. Yeah.
It's
Here, even though I bang my knee.
It's got kind of the performance steering wheel.
Yeah, it kind of performance. It has blindside assist too. Yeah, it do. Truth. Good call. Blindside assist. It has heated mirror.
Car. I think it gets an average.
Yeah, good starter car.
So get about an average rating. If we're going out of 10, I could throw it a 6.
Throw it a 6, yeah.
We'll throw it a 6 because I mean we're not just basing it off of necessarily the power. Yeah, we're speed guys, power guys, but overall functionality with some of the features it's got is pretty good. Probably not going to be my first choice.
No way.
But if I end up with it, I can get something good.
Yeah, most definitely.
If I had the money, this could be a great 4-back.
And then it's a Passat Volkswagen. You know, you can play a lot with cars like Volkswagen.
Yeah,
you can do a lot of tuning.
Plenty spacious in the hood. Yeah, plenty spacious in the hood to get your tuning on too. So, but it's too cold. I actually slide around the snow. I ripped this e-brake pretty good. They don't want to stand outside to get me to do a U-turn 180 in the middle of the street right there. But you say what? What are we talking?
You got the glove.
We talking? We doing it? Are we on? We doing it?
In it.
Anyway, if you want more videos like this, you can hit us up. We do stuff all the time. And if you really want to see the Cadillac, ask this man right here.
We'll get you that one.
We'll get you Cadillac as well. I don't know if the snow will be still down, if we can do a 180 or whatever like that in there. Whatever he chooses, that's on him. The Cadillac is pretty powerful, you know, whatnot. And then if you really feeling the funk about getting it tuned out, we will try to see if we can do the tune it out as well. I will invest my money into it. Everything comes out of my pocket. YouTube is not going to pay for it. Trust me. I'm going to invest some money into it if it's really necessary.
You got the resources.
We can turn it into a V.
You know, so
we can turn
that's it, man. We out.